Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking in simple guides so proportions stay right. Start with a vertical center line, then place a large oval for the torso and a smaller circle slightly overlapping on top for the head. Once done, add a curved midline to indicate the white belly and 2 short horizontal guides where the flippers will attach. These basic shapes speed decisions later and prevent reworking. Trust the guides and keep lines light so you can refine them in the next stage. Now refine those shapes into recognizable penguin anatomy. Smooth the head-to-body seam and carve a short, rounded beak, placing the eyes slightly above the midline for a friendly look. Shape tapered flippers that attach just below the shoulder guides and sketch 3-toed webbed feet peeking forward. Make the white belly a clean, slightly egg-shaped patch that overlaps the lower torso. As you tighten lines, erase stray construction marks. This makes contrast clear when you ink or dark. Switch to inking. Trace confident outer lines and fill the penguin's body black while preserving the white belly. Color the beak and feet a warm yellow-orange and add small white highlights in the eyes to bring life. Once dry, erase pencil remnants and apply soft shading under flippers and beneath the body to ground the figure. If proportions or symmetry seem wrong, make small corrections with the eraser or redraw isolated parts rather than redoing the whole sketch. That targeted fix prevents smudging and preserves detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.